One of the applications that is very useful inside of Windows 11 is the weather. So to access weather, you can go to the start menu and then type in weather right here. So I'm going to type in WEA, and here you can see weather app actually pops up. So you can go around over here and the weather opens up, as you can see right here. So you can maximize out the app right here, and then the forecast actually loads up right here, as you can see. So here you have an option to actually let weather access your location. So if you want precise location access, then you can enable that out so that the weather app can access your location. You can also set for different locations right here. Let's say, for example, if I were to type in Yangon, then you can see that I can see the weather for that particular application. So here are different options for the weather. As you can see, you can navigate around and see different options, as you can see right here. You can pin this to the start as well. So on the start, you can see the weather right here, as you can see directly. And you can go around over here and turn on the dark theme over here as well, or navigate around to the settings however you like. So you can go around onto the settings, and here you can change around different settings for this particular app as well. You want to show the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius, you can set it out accordingly how you want it. And that is how you can access out the weather app and start using it to view the weather according to how you like it, and see the weather of different cities. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.